Hey, it's Quinn the Eskimo here. Got a spot. We're gonna do shell fishing today, but we can't really go today because they're doing some work out there. But so we're just checking the area out. I'm being shown this area, where to go, by relative, and I can tell you where it is. But along the coast there, and it's a very nice setup. And it's a beautiful day, and we're probably going to try where I usually go, but right now this is a very productive spot, and we're mostly looking for clams. We do have some shells that I'm going to use for spoons. Too bad we couldn't go here today, but they said we can't go. They're doing some kind of work. There's nothing wrong with the work. They're doing something out there with boats, so we can't get stuck there. But yeah, just kind of want to show you a little bit. But this Canteen Cup Tuesday, I don't know if we'll get a chance to cook. I want to do some clams here, cook, you know, but may not be able to do it. But yeah, I know where this is now. I'll come back down here when it's open and get some serious clams there. There's oysters here too. So it's Quinn the Eskimo, and get back to you. That's Quinn the Eskimo. I'm trying a different spot where I usually go. Very windy. See what we can do. Got the pylons. They're putting pylons in there. That's that noise. Got some clam boats out there. Got some seagulls there. I'll get back to you. We'll see what happens, man. Okay. It's Quinn the Eskimo. See what we get. All right. Bye. Canteen Cup Tuesday, just got back from the shore. Got some clams, vermicelli, from Turkey actually, some sauce. Got this right here. You can see it right there. Some char cloth, tow, twine, jute, little Portuguese knife. Little ferro rod from Kaiser Enterprises, Wilderness, California. Nice little Portuguese knife. See if we'll get something going here. There we go. We got her. There we go. Get this puppy going. Got some flame going in there. There's some plants on there. Little pine cones. We're ready, man. Take a look at it. She's going good. Ain't messing around. Maybe we are messing around. Daggone camera. But it looks like it wants to rain. But I'll get back to you. I'm gonna feed this. Get our clams going. Some clams right here. Fresh. Just got our clams. Got some oysters too. I don't know if I'll cook them up right now. But you can see what I got on here. They have around my neck, just a little holder for my clam knife. So I'm going to steam these clams. I'm not going to eat them raw, but basically starting to rain now, bud. You see me opening the clam there? Got this in there. Let's open it right up. Capture the juice over here. Back. Oh, damn, that's good. Starting to rain. I almost shut the camera off, man. But got this open. There's your clam in there. It's cool, huh? Nice. I gotta shut this off because it's raining. Cover the fire a little bit. I don't know if you can see it. Try to cover a little bit with some bark. But I gotta get the camera out of the rain. But there you go. I'm just gonna put the other ones in the Canteen cup. So, got them in there. I'm gonna have to, I don't have enough room in there, so I'm gonna have to clean this out. Nice. So, got another big one in here. Maybe I'll have to open it up. Didn't want to. Not enough room in there. So I'm gonna open these up. You can look in there. I'm gonna open them up. It's not enough room. It's raining, so I gotta shut this camera off. But we got the fire going good, so we're in good shape here, man. I'll get back to you. Yeah, I didn't put the cover on this time. I have to go get it. But it's my little rocket stove. She's burning in there. There you go. But in the back here, some cooking wood right there. But yeah, she's good. One shell on there, this and that. I'm not cooking oysters right now, but it's just clams. So I'm gonna have me a. I got to drive in a minute for, soon. So I'm having non-alcoholic beer in the Canteen cup. I do like IPAs, I like lager, I like everything. But I have to drive. But get back to you. Yeah, I didn't put the cover on this time. I have to go get it. But it's my little rocket stove. She's burning in there. There you go. But in the back here, some cooking wood right there. But yeah, she's good. One shell on there, this and that. I'm not cooking oysters right now, but it's just clams. So I'm gonna have me a. I got to drive in a minute for, soon. So I'm having non-alcoholic beer in the Canteen cup. I do like IPAs, I like lager, I like everything. But I have to drive. But get back to you. Kind of thirsty. I have one of these, this, and my other cup. Those clams are just about done. I got to drive, so I'm drinking this stuff. But I like all kinds. But got my little tool I carry on me all the time. There's all kinds of stuff in there. A little saw in there too. Everyday carry. You never know. So tough day down at the water. We couldn't get what we wanted because it wasn't open where we wanted, the best place. But now I know where it is. Got my permit. Freetown area. Oh yeah. Canteen Cup Tuesday. I'm going to do the whole shebang here. So, I gotta get my food ready. And fire's going good. It's cool. Just trying to get everything set up. So, today, from Turkey, vermicelli from Turkey this time. Well, McCormick spaghetti stuff will be fine. We're going to have a little vermicelli, fresh clams, the sauce good for backpack and stuff. Now, this time I'm only going to just take out a little bit of this stuff. You know, last time I took quite a bit out. So, I'll get back to you. Going to work on this, get in the cup, and we'll be fine. I just want to remind you now, any self-respecting person from New England, when they eat the clams, they ain't going to eat clam strips. The whole clam. If it's fried clams, whole belly clams. Just eat the whole thing, man. Raw anything. Just the whole clam. None of them strip things. It's, I don't know what that is. But, that'd be just like a southerner cooking grits for 1 minute, the equivalent. So we don't want to do that. So let me get this ready. The rain stopped. You're gonna have to excuse the video. It was raining. I knocked things over. I'm on top of my fireplace here. My pants are still wet from being in the water. But yeah, I'll get back to having a great day. Take it easy. I'll be back. Hold on there. There you go. Clams are in the bottom. Vermicelli's here. Top this off a little bit. Come on, man. It's gonna be good. But take advantage of these times here. The pine cones. I might get the top for that can and I'll cook it. I'll use this to stir things up. Yeah, we got the clams, vermicelli. And when the vermicelli gets done and starts boiling a little bit, I'll put the sauce in. Let me tell you, these are fresh. We're gonna be eating good, man. Was it that brown guy says good eats? I don't know. But I'll get back to you, man.